Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to install JDK 8 on Windows 10. So if you know some of the news, you have maybe heard previously that Oracle have changed their licensing for JDK. So previously anyone can download and install, then there is no requirement of sign in and anything, or you can even use for production level previously, but now they have changed their licensing terms. So if you are going just for development, so you can download, but for that also you need a Oracle account, then log into that account and then only you can download. So what I will do, I will quickly show you the URL and where you have to go to download. So if you see here I have searched in Google that JDK, download JDK, so you will get this URL, Java SE development kit. Okay, so it will redirect you to the oracle.com. so once you will go there, here you will see some of the information which they have updated, their terms and condition, important licensing update. If you read this, then you will come to know that they have some of the major changes in their licensing. So here what I am going to do, based on your operating system, so currently I am using Windows 10 64-bit. so here if you see they are showing the log, means without login to Oracle account you cannot download. So if you go here, I have already a Oracle account, so I have login with dot. If you see here my account is showing, so you don't need any card details or anything to log into their accounts, you just have to register. And then after that just go here based on your operating system. So currently I am using Windows 64-bit. so from here you go and download this, click on this download button. So as soon as you click on this download button, it will ask for terms and condition to accept these all things, and after that you can download. So I have already downloaded that. So if you here you can see I have downloaded JDK 8U241 and this is for 64-bit. So quickly what I will do is I will click on this. So it will open a window where it will ask for terms and condition and then next button to start the installations. So just hold for that. So here Windows is asking for permission to, do you want to install this software or not on this computer. So I will select yes, and then after that wait for some time to load this. Now here see, here also it is saying that the terms under which this version of software is licensed have changed. So here you can also read based on your requirement that why you are installing this JDK. So currently I am installing for just for development purpose. So next it will fetch some required file whichever it wants. So here there is an option like means development kit. If you want development kit, then you can, it is by default all selected. If you don't want any of this, you can just click on this button drop down, and here from here you can exclude or include. So I need development tools, I need source code, and I need this public JRE, and the path will be this. You can also change the path that where you want to install this. Then after that next, and it will take some time to validate and install. If you see, it's showing a message for this Java setup. To change the install to different folder, you can click that, otherwise you will leave like that. This is the default directory for JRE. Then click on next. It will start installing JRE. So JRE, I believe that you already know that is Java runtime environment. So JDK will use for this development, and JRE whenever you wanted to run any Java application, but you are not going to develop that, you want to run already developed Java application, so you need this JRE. So it will take some time to install that. So installation has been completed, so you can close this and you can check that.